Hi, Michael Gaffney. Today, how to do simple vasing. We've got two groovy containers here. Sort of mid-century. How do you put all this together? I've got eucalyptus, I've got gorgeous Casablanca lilies, I've got bear grass, and some gerbs. Listen, you're thinking too hard about this stuff. Watch. I'm gonna take a Casablanca lily. These are budding, they're gonna open up into big, full bloom lilies, but I'm gonna cross across to the left, turn to the right, cross to the left, see that? Turn to the right. Cross to the left, turn to the right. I have 10 stems of lilies, so I'm gonna do my larger vase first and put in six or seven. I'm gonna take these, chop them, and watch. You just calmly, quietly drop them into your vase, and they're gonna sit right on that lift. There you go. Now I'm gonna trick it out, I call it. I'm gonna add some eucalyptus, clogging that drain. If you've been to my school, you know what I talk about. Clogging the drain. It's tightening up that hole there, so when you add other flowers later on, they're gonna stick. And you can also adjust these. Yes, I need a little bit more water in there, I know. So, but now that I've stuck more stuff in there, look, I can pull these up and they'll stay. I'm gonna go on to my next one, number 2, the smaller one. So now, it's a little smaller, so I'm gonna use 3 lilies. Cross the left, turn to the right. Watch it, slow motion. Cross to the right. Turn to the right. Chop. Drop. Oh, all thumbs today, doesn't matter. That's all you need to do. You can be all thumbs and still be a flower designer. Now I'm gonna add a little more of that eucalyptus around the edges. Give it a little flare. Clogging up that drain. It's all about stuffing enough to clog up the drain so they'll hold in place. A little more eucalyptus. Like that. And then I've got some gerbera daisies right here. I'm going to add some gerbs. The big ones, obviously, going to get more, but look what happens when you clog your drain. Flowers stick right where you need them to. I'm going to do a couple of gerbs in my big design. Again, oh, see it? It'll stick, but I'm going to nestle them right into the bucket there. And on the lower one, a couple gerbs. Like that. This one needs it's a little loose, so I need to tighten up that drum a little more. With a little more of this and a little more of that. There, I'm going to tilt them at you so you can see. Ready, set, check it out, close up. Companion pieces they're called. One is big, one is small. They obviously go together. They're at the same event. But now I'm going to connect them with some energy vibes. I'm going to take some bear grass. Put some bear grass starting over here. Here goes my energy flow. It's going to leap over to the next one. Right here, get it in there. It's got to hit the water. And I'm going to wrap it into this one. Sometimes I just wrap it around a stem or a lily down in there to hold it in place. Like that. Get a nice archway. And then the last thing I'm going to do is let that energy flow out the other side. We don't want it blocked. There is my finished pieces, all done in about 3 minutes worth of time. And if you need more information, just go to flowerschool101.com. You'll see these and other videos. Watch my videos on YouTube. You'll see the kind of work my students do in a matter of days. Really spectacular designing. So there's your 2 companion pieces for you today. For your dining room table, for your entryway, your gallery opening, flowerschool101.com. Keep blooming.